Hi, I'm Lindsay Kwan of Look Design, and I want to invite you to a free workshop. In this workshop, you'll learn a proven framework to build an unboxing experience that builds anticipation and keeps them coming back for more. By implementing this strategy, you'll see more shares and sales in 30 days by inspiring your customers to get the camera rolling instead of paying an influencer for an influencer campaign. It's called the Packaging Striptease, and you're going to walk away with 3 spicy secrets. Number 1, create an unboxing experience that's so good your customers can't wait to share it. Number 2, reveal ways to surprise and delight to deepen your connection with your audience so they become raving fans. And number 3, convince window shoppers that they need your product right now. You should not wait. By participating in this workshop, you'll never look at your packaging the same way again. You'll know exactly what tweaks to bake and the insider secrets to make powerful unboxing videos that truly inspire and build trust with your audience. This workshop is for product-based businesses that sell their products online through their own store. They're committed to not only acquiring new customers, but nurturing their fans into super fans. Click the button to attend, and I'll see you soon.